In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence for project documentation. Start by opening your Confluence site and signing into the workspace you use for projects. Think of Confluence as the central hub where your team can plan, write, and keep everything organized. If you're new, a quick tour of the interface helps. The sidebar holds your spaces and pages, and the Create button is where new content begins. Create a dedicated space for your project so everything lives in one place. Choose Create Space, pick a project or documentation template, give it a clear name and short description, and set a simple space key if prompted. Keeping one project per space makes navigation and permissions much easier over time. Next, organize your content with a clear page tree and set permissions. Build a simple hierarchy with top-level pages like Overview, Requirements, Plans, Meetings, and Decisions. Then add child pages beneath each. You can drag and drop pages to reorder, configure space permissions so the core team can edit and stakeholders can view, and use page restrictions for drafts or sensitive content. Consistent structure and thoughtful access keep your documentation trustworthy and easy to use. Create a project homepage to serve as the welcome mat. Add a concise summary of what the project is, who it serves, and where it's going. Include quick links to key pages, the roadmap, or your issue tracker. Use headings, sections, and a short table for at-a-glance details like target dates or key milestones. Outline the project goals, scope, and objectives so everyone shares the same understanding. Capture a brief problem statement, success metrics, what's in scope, what's out of scope, and major milestones. Keep it scannable and specific. This page becomes your North Star for decisions and trade-offs. Use helpful macros to surface live signals. Insert a status macro to show whether the project is on track, at risk, or blocked. And add a short note explaining why. Standardize your status labels and colors so updates are consistent across pages. If you use Jira, embed the Jira Issues macro to display live progress, tasks, and the roadmap. Connect to your project or a saved filter, choose the fields you want to show, and limit the results to keep pages fast. This turns your documentation into a real-time dashboard without duplicating effort. Finally, accelerate with pre-built templates. Use product requirements to capture context, user stories, acceptance criteria, and open questions. Use meeting notes to log agendas, decisions, and action items. Use project plan and timeline to outline phases and dates. And use a decision log to record choices, owners, and rationale. Templates keep your pages consistent and easy to maintain across the team.